Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. I have a new video camera. It just was not working out with my phone at all. Several of my videos got cut off in the middle or 10 seconds only or whatever. So I'm so happy. Happy birthday to myself, from myself. I got this fabulous little thing and I hope it works. Please let me know in the comments if there's any sort of you can't hear me or if there's some sort of problem so I can address it. Anyway, thank you for all of that. I want to show you a cute little traveler's notebook insert I made for a lovely lady who is just one of the nicest people you'll ever come across. The fabric on the outside is made from my drapes that used to be in my dining room. There are pieces in my shop, and they are 12 by 12 pieces, and I'm cutting them larger than that, but 12 by 12 pieces, and free shipping to domestic in the United States. So if you like it, anyway, that's, and the any of these solid or unfloral pages that you see is from the big deal at Avalon Rose. Lindsay Zenor did a video last week or a couple weeks ago about it and what all was on it. I'm telling you, there are something like 54 paper packs, but within each of those is, I don't even know. I can't even, some of them have hundreds of options within that choice. I don't even know how to explain it. There's so many, but they're gorgeous. And these are, I thought this worked well. Several of, in this little set I did, I chose for this book. I thought it would work really well. Anyway, you want to check that out, Avalon Rose. Anyway, this is just a paper bag, a little half pocket or folded pocket. And this kit, it's honestly, if I had a favorite floral kit, I think this has got to be it. It's from TLC Creates Vintage, and it's called Picking Daisies. And I've made a few using this kit, and I absolutely love it. Anyway, this is one of the solids from the big deal at Avalon Rose. This is from the TLC kit, Avalon Rose. Then this kit, it's got 4 pages in it, and I mixed it with the Daisy kit because I think it works really well. This is from AllureBooksCraft. It's called Nature and Script, and I love it. I've used it a few times, so I just wanted to tell you those things. And then here's this little bingo card and a notepad with several pages sewn together. A little playing card with paper on the back. And these, there's hundreds of them. I got from Nevermore Creations 17 many months ago. It came, there's like 9 on a page, and literally there's hundreds of these different yellow, it's like a yellow floral, and it had just tons and tons of different little pictures of yellow flowers. Love it. So I thought that was great. Oh, I missed my pocket. Anyway, this is the Script and Nature and Script thing. A piece of parchment paper. This is one of those backgrounds from the big deal. This is a piece. This is also Nevermore Creations, and it is 9 on a page. It's scans of wallpaper samples that Lindsay's put together, and they're perfect for little bitty journaling cards or bases for collages. And I have another one in here. I'll show you what I did with that one right here. This little wallpaper card. And then it's like the base for this little collage. 2 more of the yellows. parchment paper. I love it because you can see right through it. Anyway, my friend's name starts with an M, so I thought I would do that for her. The middle has got these really cool buttons. I know there's a zoom on this camera, but I'm afraid, so I'm not going to try it. Some more parchment paper, and then a double pocket guest check collage thing. Nature and Script. More of the Big Deal background paper. And here's another one of the little wallpaper sample. It's not real wallpaper, it's a scan of wallpaper. Love. The wallpaper scan. Just some copy that paper. Scrap little tag, and then a pocket with like one of the, it's a really big Rolodex card, and then one of Lindsay's little yellow flower pages, and then the back has a double pocket made out of a paper bag, and a little piece of the cover just on there. Anyway, that is it. I also this one's going out in the mail today, but I can make you one if you want. It just takes me 2 or 3 days to get them done because I love it so much I just can't stop. So if you, I will put one in the shop if you're interested, but know that it is not made exactly at this moment, but it will be done right away if you want it. Anyway, thank you so much, and don't forget, let me know if there's something in the with the setup, the lighting, whatever, with my new setup here. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you.